Okay, this is an '08 Dodge Grand Caravan, and my brakes are sticking on. They don't seem to be releasing. So what I'm going to do is change the flex line that runs in here. So I've taken the caliper off, and I set it up so that the bolt is actually pointing downwards. And I'm going to unhook these two lines, these points right here, there and there. I'll hook the new one back up here. I'll let the fluid drain down into the line, and then I'll set it on top of here, and as the fluid is draining into the caliper, I'll tighten down my bolt, and that'll keep me from having to bleed the brakes after. So let me get started on that. We also have a bolt under here that holds the bracket in place, and that's going to come off too. And there you go, new line all in place. And it turns out I'm going to have to bleed it anyway. It was a little tougher than I thought. So the bleed set is right there. And you just get somebody inside, pump the brakes 3 times and get them to hold pressure on it until you actually release this and retighten it, and then they can release the pedal. And then you do that again until all the air has escaped from the cylinder. And that's all there is to it.